Let's practice one more together, and then I'll have you practice a few by yourself. Okay, here we have 1/2 plus 2/5. So again, first step is finding the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. What are the multiples of 2? What are the multiples of 5? See if you can work on those on your own in your math notebook. See if you can find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 on your own. Pause if you need to. Go ahead and unpause when you're done. All right, let's find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. And again, remember that here we're finding the lowest common multiple, but down here we're going to call that the lowest common denominator because we're taking this number that's a multiple of these two, and we're using it as our denominator. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. Counting by 2s, let's see, I have 2, 4, 6. Counting by 5s, I've got 5, 10. I'm going to go back to the 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, there we go. I got it. There's my lowest common multiple. We got 10. That's the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. All right, next step. Where am I going to put that 10? I've got 10 now. I know I have this number that's useful. What should I do with that 10? Go ahead and write out these two fractions here, just like you see it here in your math notebook. Might take you just a moment. Go ahead and pause if you need to, but let's write out our fractions just like this. 1 times something equals something. 2 times something equals something. 2 times something equals something. 5 times something equals something. Write that out, and let's see if we can figure this out together. All right, what should we do with these 10s? We're going to put these 10s anywhere we see lowest common denominator. I'm going to put one here, 10, 10, 10. There we go. And now I need to finish filling out the rest of this. All right. 5 times what equals 10? 5 times 2 equals 10. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 2 times 2 equals 4. All right, we'll do the same thing up here. 2 times what equals 10? 2 times 5 equals 10. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 1 times 5 equals 5. So 1/2 is the same as 5/10. Look at that. 2/5 is the same as 4/10. Now I have two new fractions that I can add pretty easily. 5/10 plus 4/10, that's just 5 plus 4. It's 9/10. All right, we're going to do one more problem. This one I'm going to have you solve on your own. I'm actually going to zoom out of here a bit so you can see the whole problem. And in your notebook, I'd like you to try to draw this. Go ahead and draw it. Pause if you need to. Take a moment to draw this, and then I will solve here and give you a chance to kind of watch me solve it and see if you got the same answer or a different answer. All right, go ahead and unpause. Assuming you've worked this out and you have finished the lowest common multiple, found the lowest common denominator, and solved the rest of this problem. Let's do it together here. Okay, 3/8 plus 3/6. Let's zoom in here. All right, let's find the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6. That'd be 6, that'd be 12, 16, 18, 20, 24, 28. I'm going to shrink this down a bit. It's going to get a little bit too big here in a minute. There we go. All right. Where were we? 30, 36, and 36. There we go. Oops, I just realized that was wrong. Sorry. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and here we'll go 36, 42, 48, and 48. There we go. Well, sometimes you make a mistake. All right. our lowest common multiple here is 48. What am I going to do with that 48? I'm going to use that number. 48 here, 48 here, and 48 here. And then I ask a few questions. 6 times what equals 48? 6 times 8 equals 48. Whatever I do to the bottom, I need to do to the top. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3/6 is equal to 24/48. Cool. All right, 8 times what equals 48? 8 times 6 equals 48. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 8 times 6 is 48, and 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 times 8 is equal to 18/48. All right, I'm going to have you finish this slide and the next slide on your own. And let me know if you have any questions, and good luck on your work.